already done so, you need to make sure that you get your calculator from over there on the rack, okay? So really quickly, let's review yesterday a little bit. What is this called?
The vertex maximum.
The vertex maximum. So this is my vertex max. This is my
X.
This is my This is my
X-intercept.
And this is my
Now, shouldn't that be negative X?
Oh my gosh.
No. It's just called an x-intercept, whether it's negative or positive. It's a good question.
Good question, read.
Right, check your homework if you did it.
Hey, keep that down.
No.
I don't even have homework.
I will give you a 0.
Tell them all.
I got it right.
Oh,
wait, I didn't do that part. Okay.
Okay, you got these checked. I'm going to scroll down. Get the rest of your page checked. You were close on D of part 2. That's okay. Okay, as long as you were close. Right, check 3, 4, and 5.
What's 3?
3 is A. Okay, check 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, let's get started with the notes for today. So really quickly, let's review, even though we just did this. Your vertex maximum is at the top, and your minimum is at the... We have 2 x-intercepts. We have a y-intercept. And we have an axis of symmetry. Okay. So really quickly, in your calculator, I want you to put x squared plus 4x minus 5 in y equals. You're putting this equation in y equals in your calculator. Everyone together. When you're done with yours, check your partners. Y equals, type it in your calculator. What's
Is that a negative or minus?
Minus.
Minus 5.
Okay. Okay. We got it on in our y equals? Is everyone good? Now I want you to press graph. Make sure your graph looks like your neighbor's graph. Here, Reggie, you can be my partner.
What about say quit?
Check your equation. Show, Maya, did yours work?
You press X2 first.
Okay. at your graph, is it a maximum or a minimum?
It's a minimum.
It's a minimum.
Oh, wait.
It's a minimum. Everyone get it to work. Did you check your neighbors?
Yes.
Now, I want you to press second trace. That takes you to your calculate menu. Second trace. Now, since our vertex is a minimum, what do you think you are going to press?
3.
Which says minimum. Press 3.
Yeah.
Now I want you to scroll way to the left and press enter. Way to the left of your vertex. So here's your vertex. You need to be somewhere over here before you press enter. So use your
Where?
little cursor.
Wait, what?
It could be on the line.
Just somewhere around there. Doesn't matter where it is.
Doesn't matter.
Just anywhere on the left side.
Put enter.
I put mine on the line.
And press enter. Then I want you to scroll. It's going to say right bound. So you're going to go to the right side of the vertex and press enter. So somewhere over here and press enter.
Is that for boy?
Okay. Left bound. Hold on. Then press enter one more time.
One more time.
And what's it telling you?
Mine's negative
0.9 repeating, which is really close to.
Mine say -2.
2. Yeah, negative 9. Mine says
No, mine.
negative 2.
-2, -9.
Wait.
-2, -9.
Yeah.
-2, -9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did some of you get 1.99999?
Yeah.
That's really close to 2. So we get -2,
Yeah.
-9. And your calculator just found the vertex for you.
I like this.
Now,
I do.
the line of symmetry is a Bucks or Ahoy. The vertex has an X. It's a Bucks.
Look.
I said that.
And so we get X equals -2. Okay? Pretty easy so far?
Yeah.
Go for
Okay, so now we're going to find the solutions of it. So you're going to leave the same equation in y1. If you cleared it, go ahead and type it in again. And in y2, you're going to put a 0. So in y1, put your equation. In y2, put 0. Remind me at the end of this class, and I'll show you all the wedding dress.
No.
You'll have to see it.
I'm just playing.
All right. So, you put y2 equals 0, and then you're going to press second trace again. And this is going to go to the calculate menu. But here we're going to press intersect, like we did with systems of equations, right?
Yep.
Now, you're going to press enter 3 times, and tell me what it tells you.
It said 2 times.
You said 2 times and press yes.
Well, 2 times, and then you could scroll and then press 3 times. But it doesn't matter. 3 times.
Yeah.
Second trace.
Count.
5.
Uh,
Then what I supposed to do? Enter 2 times.
I got 1. That's okay.
Second curve.
I got 1.
Second, enter, enter.
No.
Just go enter.
You got 0 out of it.
Wait, let me take.
So some people got -5, and some people got what? 1. And that's because there's how many roots? 2. So we have -5, 0,
Yeah.
and 1, 0. Now what I want you to do is I want you to press second trace again.
1 0.
I got 1 0.
Hold on. I want you to press second trace again. And 5, but But this time I want you to use your arrow to scroll close to the other one, the one you didn't get. So if you got -5, scroll close to the one that's not at -5. If you got +1, scroll close to the one that's not at +1.
What else is there?
So you do a second trace again.
Second trace again. 5 again.
Yep.
You need to mark that club.
Oh, 2 times.
Okay.
What'd you get? Did you get the other one?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Does that make sense? So you find one, and then you scroll close to the other one and find the other one. Are we okay?
We can do this for every single one.
Oh, yeah.
Need help?
All that running out of field.
Oh.
Really? These all have to be anyway. No. Ow.
found the one.
Yeah, it was one.
Does that make sense? We got it over here? We all okay?
Oh, so,
Second trace again.
sorry, bro.
Second trace.
So, how about you okay then when you can have
Let's go.
Get out that phone. Get out that phone.
I better
You right about nothing.
Should be silent in here.
Who said
I got it back.
Okay.
Yeah, indeed. And then give me speed.
Nah.
Sweet.
Alright guys, we're moving on. Are we good? Do you see how we get both of them? Show me a thumbs up if you see it, a thumbs down if you don't. I got it.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Nah, I could be the help. Reggie needs
I
help.
swear to God.
No, I don't.
I swear to God for this one.
Alright. I already need help.
I don't need help.
There you go.
You
You
did?
need help.
You never run.
Who told you?
You start hard. He always do it.
Okay, so
Go flip.
recall that we have 4 words that mean the same thing. What are they?
Road solution. X-intercept zero.
Roots,
Solution.
Wow.
solutions.
X-intercepts.
Man, you already know this.
Hold on. X-intercepts
0. That's why it's called Reho.
and zeros. I spelled zeros right.
No.
G-R-O-S. He said no.
Does it have an E?
Yeah.
No.
Does it have a second E?
It's like this.
right.
G-E-R-O-S.
Okay. So, we're going to find the roots of this one by hand. So when we find it by hand, we factor it. GCF, what's it going to be?
Nine.
No,
Nine.
my sum is going to be
7
my product.
10.
10.
What are we going to try?
5 and 2.
5.
5 and 2.
And it works. So we get x plus 5, x plus 2, and that's equal to 0. So x plus 5 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. Draw my line, subtract 5, I get x equals -5. Draw my line, subtract 2, and I get x equals -2.
I ain't messing around.
So now we're going to solve it using the calculator. So I want you to go ahead and put this in y equals.
Oh
And what's going to go in y2?
0.
0.
How do you say 0? Is it 0 or 0?
0. With a hard E.
Whoa. Got this. See that?
Oh.
It's supposed to look
Yeah, that's perfect.
yeah.
What's next?
It is possible.
The second graph or
Second trace, and we're going to find our 2 equations, our 2 zeros, our 2 intercepts. Intercept sounds like intersect. So you're going to find the intercepts.
It's -2.
Negative 2 zeros is one of them, then you gotta find the other one.
Wait, what did you do?
Show your neighbor if your
Now
neighbor's
it's
struggling.
second way.
Right,
Oh,
you got
that's
the same
it.
calculator.
No,
Can't just take it down, show me my mirror learn.
I don't wanna work.
It's negative 2 0, negative 5 0.
How many? One.
You got it.
Connect. You lost your phone.
There you go.
Go right across.
Let them good up. Don't be happy to go big. That's on 2%.
I did something wrong. Mine's negative 3.5 0 0 0 0.
Well, Miss Frank, negative 2 versus say error, brown, bound.
Miss Springs, I did something wrong.
Y'all was doing it wrong. Let me go to the turn.
Miss Springs, I
You
did
go to the turn, my back hurt.
Hold on, there needs to be no talking.
second trace.
Yeah, my hurt left foot.
No, we're going 5.
Oh.
We're going second trace 5.
Oh, second trace 5.
Yeah, got it? Are we good?
Yes.
Jordan, you got it?
Bro.
Alright, so we're moving on. Moving on.
2 0.
So why?
It lost me.
That's all your charge
So why did we have to learn how to factor when we could have used a calculator all along?
Because if
You're not always gonna have a calculator by your side.
Yes,
Yeah.
you are.
You don't always have a calculator, and factoring might honestly be a little faster for some people. You can factor it in your head, it's a really fast process. But the benefit to this is it works every time. So not every quadratic equation can be factored, and this will work every single time we have a quadratic equation. So I want you to put this next one in y equals. And then look at your graph and figure out your vertex. So if it's a minimum, you're going to go second trace 3. If it's a maximum, you're going to go second trace 4.
where is there 0? This one? For the vertex?
There is a 0 for this one.
It is a max. Wait.
It's a maximum.
It's a maximum, so you're going to go second trace 4. Remember to go to the left, way to the left, then way to the, press enter, go way to the right, press enter, and then press enter one more time.
You didn't do it right.
Okay. Negative.
Wait.
I disagree. I got negative 1.9148888.
I would put that.
Whoa.
I got
I got decimal.
What's your decimal?
Don't worry.
You're supposed to get a decimal.
What's your
Negative
decimal?
1.9.
2.137458.
Yeah,
That's not right.
I got you.
Wait, for your
I
roots.
did something wrong.
Wait. For your roots or your vertex? We're looking for our vertex first. So you gotta go maximum.
What I did
I'm
wrong?
lost. Miss, you can build.
Yeah, that's right. Hold on.
Graph.
What?
Second trace
You
5.
mad at me, cuz.
Second trace 4.
How many times do we go left?
Second trace.
Second trace
You
4.
gotta be more left than that. Press enter. Now go right and press enter.
How much right?
More right. There you go. Enter here.
Really, bro?
Ready?
I got 0.249999.
Oh!
That's gonna knock you out.
Me too. This ain't hard. I mean, this ain't easy.
You say you like it. You stop saying that.
That's my phone.
Man.
I don't like this.
Hold on. That's right.
You calculator, bro.
Wait.
Me too.
Dang, come on, tie your shoes. Tie your shoes.
What time is it? I don't know.
First period. I'm talking about my shoes.
Okay.
I know what.
Okay.
Bro, we should learn our
Maximum.
Help me.
Guys, there needs to be no talking. I can't help people if you're talking.
Look it up on YouTube.
Wow.
I don't have.
Reggie, 1. I'll send you to the office if you can't stop talking.
Miss, I'm on probation. I'm not supposed to be going to the office.
But it was a math helpful.
I'm gonna violate.
Miss, oh my God.
Okay, graph,
Second trace.
second trace 5.
It deleted my stuff.
I mean, second trace 4. To the left or the right? Enter.
Dude.
Huh?
Yeah. Is that close?
I got 2.249.
Okay, what do we get?
0.2.
0.24999.
No, what is that?
.25.
No.
What's that?
I got 3 and over.
Okay, round it up.
I got
.25.
0.24999.
Work.
One more time. There you go.
Oh, I did it right.
All right, so we got about 0.25. Is that right?
Yes.
Second. Count. Max. Way left. Enter. Way right.
Mother can.
Enter.
He's laying his shit.
Okay, we got 0.25-ish, really close to 0.25, and 7.125.
Just the answer.
That's the answer.
Me.
Hold on, 1 second.
But you know the student teacher.
Yeah.
You need an extra one. You can't be doing this already. I'm on number 8.
You forgot your taxes.
But you got no proof.
So you did number 4.
We're doing the max on that.
What's up?
What's up?
Okay, so we got, hold on guys. We got,
Why you writing that P?
because it's not working. We got,
Raggedy.
for our vertex, we got 0.25, comma, 7.125.
I thought we could round that 7 to 7.
You can round it to 0.25. No, you need to leave it at 7.125. 3 decimal places. Okay? Now, for our roots, you're going to go second, trace 5, and find both of them. And they're not going to be nice numbers. Second, trace 5. Make sure you have 0 and Y2 or it's not going to work.
5.
Whoa, man.
I got 2.12765 round 6.
Mrs.
I got negative 1.6.
That's not my name.
Yes.
What did I do wrong? I
He
used second trace 5.
said miss.
What did you do on your graph?
Mrs.
2.17.
I got negative 1.749.
Negative 1.0633.
No.
Okay,
The second time I did it.
hold on, salami. We gotta make it through this lesson. Guys, we're almost done. Promise.
You just need one more.
Oh, yeah.
What you made in your 40?
That's what it is.
I
Guys, I cannot teach if you are talking. This is a very long lesson. It's a very important lesson. You will see at least 10 questions on your EOC where what I am teaching you today will benefit you on your EOC. You will not pass it if you don't know how to do this stuff. Do we understand?
Ma'am.
I'm being firm because it's very important. So if you have a question, raise your hand or quietly ask your neighbor, but there should not be talking about anything else other than my lesson and these problems. Do we get it?
Ma'am.
All right. What is one of the roots?
I don't know.
Negative
One negative 1.63 something.
7.5.
What's my other one? 2.137 something. Okay. Okay, that wasn't too bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the last thing you need is your y-intercept. Now, at your y-intercept, what is your x equal to? 0. So I want you to go to second graph and look at your table, and when x is 0, what's y?
7.
So do you see how your calculator can tell you all of these different things about your graph? Okay? It's nice, right? The vertex can be frustrating, but the roots are the one you're going to use the most, okay? The biggest thing is knowing your vertex is if it's a maximum or a minimum, okay? Now, we're going to find the zeros of this equation. So what do you think you're going to put in y1?
2x.
The 2
Minus
x
C.
minus 6.
And what do you think you're going to put in y2?
0.
Okay, go ahead and do that.
Graph. It's a lot.
What do you think was my friend?
Okay, find where they intersect. So you go second.
What do we do? Like 3?
If I need my dice.
Reggie, that's not about the lesson. They intersected 3. So we could have been using this every time it asks us for an x-intercept.
Wait, what happened?
So you go second trace, 5, we're looking for a 0, that's the same thing as an intersection.
Is the answer 3?
Use your 3.
I'm getting mad.
If I got negative 6 and 0.
You go second trace, 5, enter, enter, enter.
Huh?
Did you press enter 3 times? Do we get it?
Okay.
Everyone get 3. Do you get 3, Jordan?
No.
Can you help?
I used to love that thing.
I'll come back to you, okay?
I love it too.
Alright.
That's the last problem.
No dub.
Yeah, that's it. So how many times does a quadratic function cross the x-axis? How many times does a linear function? Alright.
Something you're funny with that for wrong. So this that time working on homework.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Cause I need to go to the library.
What about your wedding dress?
I'm gonna show you.
If you said let me win with you, probably picked out an ugly.
Don't say
dress.
Alright.
If I was with you, you would have picked out pretty.
Alright.
Reggie.
I don't like to get on to y'all. It's not my favorite thing to do. Alright? Because I really like fourth period, I really like this class. But our big thing that's been killing us lately has been the time when I'm trying to help people in between problems, right? So maybe if we could be a little quieter with him. I don't mind if you talk quietly to your partner, but when you're yelling across the room, or when you're talking about things that are completely unrelated to my lesson, it can be a little challenging for me to help people, okay? And it's also a little challenging to get it reined back in after that, okay? So maybe, I don't mind if you talk quietly, preferably about the lesson, but it can't be a distraction when I'm helping other people. Deal?
Dude.
Are we good? Alright.
Why your dog so black?
You can't just ask me why my dog's black, Reggie.
I said, why is it so black?
It's just black.
It's black.
It's black.
Yeah, you can go take it. You can just take it.
Matter of fact, you want to show us the wedding dress?
I'm gonna show you. You have the same thing as
Good, good, my mom's
What?
You're right. Excellent.
Richard, I don't want to. No, no,
Boy, that's
Do we have another guess?
You go to second trade.
Yeah.
Whatever.
1, 2, 3. Just on root usage. That's what we This one we use the maximum. Where you get a second use. And we do maximum.
Wait,
You want to see
It's a plan on paper.
Miss Queens.
Wings.
Queens.
Is it a maximum or no?
Hey, yeah, I'll turn it.
Why not?
So to the left, go to the left. Go to the right. This is right, right. And then
Okay.
So I gotta look at this.
yeah. Does that help so? Alright.
Listen, if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna holler at you. Did you try it on? It's free.
What's up?
I said, did you try it on?
Solve what?
Roots or.
You read, that's the intercept button. So second trace 5. Root zeros. Enter. Yep.
Like, how do you solve it?
You factor it. But some of them aren't factored. And you gotta set it equal to 0. It's okay. Just set it equal to 0, put it in y equals, put 0 and y2, and use your intersection. Second trace 5. The only other way you can solve it by hand is if you use the quadratic formula. Okay? Alright. It's gonna be okay. I promise.
Miss Queens, how do you know these lashes?
You're the
This one.
that's right.
Okay,
There's only one,
good.
right?